Hi everyone! Welcome back to our English Learning channel. Today, we're going to make your mornings, afternoons, and evenings a lot more English-friendly. I'll teach you 10 super easy words you can use to talk about your daily routine. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe your day in English, clearly, simply, and confidently. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons. Section 1. Warm-up and context. A daily routine is what you do every day, your normal activities from morning to night. You use these words to talk about yourself, in small talk, in class, or even in job interviews when someone asks, "What's your typical day like?" Even native speakers use these simple words daily. You don't need complicated grammar to sound natural. Section 2. Word wake up. Our first word is wake up. This means to stop sleeping and become awake. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. A common mistake is confusing it with get up. Wake up means you open your eyes, while get up means you leave the bed. Let's practice. What time do you wake up? Wake up. Section 3. Word 2. Get up. Next is get up. This means to leave your bed after sleeping. For example, I get up at 7:15 a.m. Remember, it's different from wake up. First you wake up, then you get up. Practice sentence. I get up as soon as I wake up. Hey viewers, comment below. What exact time do you get up? Section 4. Word 3. Eat breakfast. Word 3. Eat breakfast. This means to have the first meal of the day. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. You can also say have breakfast. Both are correct. Common foods include toast, eggs, coffee, or cereal. Practice question. What do you eat for breakfast? Section 5. Word 5. Go to work. Moving on to go to work. This means to travel to your job. For example, I go to work by bus. You could also say go to the office or start work. Practice sentence. I go to work at 9 a.m. And a cultural note, if you work from home, you can say I start work at home. Section 6. Word 5. Study. Word 5 is study. This means to learn by reading, watching, or practicing. For example, I study English every morning. Variations include study for a test or study at the library. Practice sentence. When do you study English? Comment below. What time do you usually study? Section 7. Word 6. Eat lunch. Now, eat lunch. This means to have the second main meal of the day. For example, I eat lunch at 1 p.m. In different cultures, lunch might include sandwiches, rice, or salads. Practice question. What do you eat for lunch? Section 8. Word 8. Exercise. Word 7. Exercise. This means to move your body to be healthy and strong. For example, I exercise at the gym 3 times a week. Synonyms are work out or train. Practice sentence. Do you exercise in the morning or evening? Show short clip of simple exercises like jumping jacks or running in place. Section 9. Word 8. Relax. Next up is relax. This means to rest and enjoy your free time. For example, I relax by watching TV. Synonyms include rest or the informal chill. Practice sentence. How do you relax after work? Section 10. Word 9. Eat dinner. Word 9. Eat dinner. This means to have the main evening meal. For example, I eat dinner at 7 p.m. Note that in some countries, dinner and supper might be used differently, but they often mean the same. Practice sentence. What do you eat for dinner? Section 11. Word 10. Sleep. Our last word is sleep. This means to rest your body and mind with your eyes closed. For example, I sleep for 8 hours every night. Related words are nap for a short sleep or go to bed. Practice sentence. What time do you usually sleep? Section 13. Mini story using all words. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up quickly and eat breakfast, usually toast and coffee. Then I go to work. In the afternoon, I eat lunch with my friends. After work, I exercise at the gym for 30 minutes. When I get home, I relax by reading a book. I eat dinner with my family at 7:30 p.m. Finally, I sleep at 10 p.m. This is my daily routine. Section 13. Pronunciation practice. Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me slowly. Wake up. Wake up. Get up. Get up. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Go to work. Study. Study. Eat lunch. Eat lunch. Exercise. Exercise. Relax. Relax. Eat dinner. Eat dinner. Sleep. Sleep. Great job. Say them out loud with me. Section 14. Review and quiz. Time for a quick review quiz. What's the first meal of the day? That's right, breakfast. What do you do before leaving bed? Get up. What word means to rest at night? Sleep. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Section 15. Homework assignment. For homework, write 5 sentences about your own daily routine using these words. Post them in the comments below. This will build your confidence and help you practice. Section 16. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you learned something new, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.